Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Bible note taker, and today we're doing an unboxing video. Yes, and this unboxing video is for a Bible journaling kit from By the Well for God, which I am so excited about. It has a bunch of Bible journaling things, plus a devotional, and this particular kit is called a Biblical Thanks, and I will have that in the description box below if you want to go ahead and get yourself your own journaling kit, and they come out with new ones every single month. But yeah, so far we had the thank you card, and also that tells you a little bit about the company, but then also that stamp with the farm animals. We have some cutouts with Bible verses on them, as you can see here, and also some fabric here. I'm not quite sure what I will use this for, but I'm sure I'll make good use of it. And yeah, some more Bible verse cards. And what I plan on honestly using this for is my Bible study bullet journal. That's the main purpose why I ordered it. Here are some stickers here. And then also some sticker labels that have dot grid on them, and then also some frequently asked questions. It's like a little card about the Bible journaling kit. All right, so now we're actually going to get into the kit itself, which I'm so pumped about. So I'm just gonna unwrap this. All right, so first and foremost, it comes in this little pouch, which I adore, and I got this as an add-on. It's the falling leaves stamp, which I already know I'm going to be using that in my bullet journal. I also got the baking blessing stamp, and then the thankful jar stamp, and it has like love, joy, hope, grateful, thankful, all those different little word stamps as well. And then now I'm just taking out the contents of the kit. We have these paper clip kind of bookmarks, which are adorable. Love that for fall. This is the actual devotional, which we'll talk about at the end of the video. Now I just kind of want to get through like all the things in the kit. So some cutouts, and that has like different paint textures, which I think is a really cute element. And then also we have some more Bible verse cutouts. Very cute. I love this for going into the month of November. I'm so excited to bullet journal. And then also some stickers. We love stickers, so some number stickers, and then there's 14 jar stickers, which goes with the 14-day devotional. Also some stickers here, very cute. I love this color palette for this whole kit. Yep, more stickers. Then we have some letter stickers. Definitely going to use that to write out November in my bullet journal. And then some paper, which is nice. Some more stamps. And then here are the cutouts. Also had like this little kind of rope in there. Not sure what I'll use that for, but I'll figure it out. So we have these different cutouts, and these cutouts are adorable, y'all. I'm just gonna like go through them and let y'all see them for yourselves, but I love these cutouts. The color palette, again, I can't say enough about it. And this is really good quality paper for the cutouts. Like, it's not flimsy. Beautiful color. You could tell they used a really good printer for these, and great paper. So you're definitely getting good quality within this kit. And there's so many different cutouts. Love these. So I'm gonna just really show you guys all of them, and these could be used as great accents in a bullet journal. specifically my Bible study bullet journal, all the ideas are just kind of going through my head as I speak right now. And there's some more. At the beginning, there was one girl cutout, but they have more girl cutouts in the back, and those are my favorite. I love people cutouts. And the artwork, beautiful, beautiful artwork for these cutouts as well. Love this apron that we're about to see come up. So cute. And then here are the girl cutouts. So cute. The detail. It's the detail for me. Like, I love it. Love it. And I love just like the diversity of the women too. And then, yep, a little card with all the cutouts kind of laid out on there. And now it's the devotional. So it's a 14-day devotional centered around thanks and what that means biblically for us as believers. And I'm going to work this devotional into my Bible study bullet journal as my devotional for that month. And so I am going to do a Bible study bullet journal November setup video. So I'm really excited to get that out to y'all, but I'm just kind of flipping through. It has like the devotional and some questions as well. But yeah, that has been this unboxing video. I hope you found it helpful, and go check out By the Well for God.